Wadonjo weche mag tuke nyako Ramogi. Tim mar KCB e tuke mag chess onyiso duoko maber tok nyoro tim mar Eastlands 5-0 e tuke mag finals. KCB koro kawo kombe mar tuke mag Kenya Chess Premier League title nyadidek ma oluore ka giyudo points 43 e mbele tim mar Nairobi Academy and Club ma obedo thuolo mar ariyo gi points 29. Tim mar Jomo Kenyatta University odino thuolo mogik gi points 27. Manager mar tim mar KCB Isaac Babu opoyo timeno kuom nyiso duoko maber e tukego.
We have stayed for more than 3 years without playing the normal league. We were playing online league, which we played in 2001, and we won it. So now we have resumed back to the normal league, which is our where we always like playing against each other when you are seeing the opponent you are playing with, rather than when you are playing online. Online, you don't know if the guy is being assisted by, is doing some assistance from the other guys, or even using the machine. But we really appreciate, at least now we are back to our normal chess game. For the KCB chess team, now that we have won the league, I think next year the Africa Chess Body are organizing a club championship sometimes in June. So we are waiting to know the venue. I don't know if maybe it will be in Kenya or within, but it's along Africa.
The whole season was very tough. I think at some point we got a draw, but then we started struggling. But we won all we are still undefeated as KCB. This is the second year we are retaining the title, so we are hoping to retain it next year.